As I have already said, or as I have already mentioned, that while we are installing the Node.js, the Node package manager is bundled with it. So Node package manager is one of the core reason why Node.js or JavaScript ecosystem has evolved a lot into large, and now we are at a place where whatever problem we are facing or whatever improvement we are facing or we are in search of an improvement, every place the one-stop solution is the node package manager. It is like a registry, right? So what is node package manager? So as I said, whenever you install node.js, right, whenever you install node.js, you might have the node.js version installed you, and also you can see that npm version which is installed, with where is npm is the dependency manager or node package manager, which is like an app store or play store. So what is node package manager? So like android phones or ios phones, so for android phones you have and play store, google play store, right? So google play store is a place where you can find all the Android apps at one place, right? Similarly, iOS store, App Store. App Store is a place where you find all the iOS based applications at one place, right? Now, what is the advantage of it, right? What is the advantage of it? Let's say I am facing a problem and it's a generic problem. Like I want to retry a function for at least 5 times before closing it. So it's a generic problem, right? Everybody wants to do that. So some people might develop an application to it, and if you can just publish it to the Node package manager as an Android app is published to a Play Store, you can similarly publish it to the Node package manager, and you can give it or make it open source to other people, and they can easily reuse that, right? So let's see what is Node package manager and more about it, right? Yes. So when you type Node package manager, right? NPM building amazing things. So it is the website, official website of Node.js. It is all what do you say, open source. We love open source, right? So it is take your JavaScript development up to a notch, right? It means it gives us many libraries or many open source free libraries which can be installed from here. Let's say React.js. React.js is also one of the NPM node package manager. So it's one of the app, or I would say it's one of the application inside the node package manager. So let's see React.js, some, or I can simply search npm React, right? npm React. So see, it has this many number of weekly downloads. So React is a JavaScript library. So whatever application or whatever library which you are building, which is on top of JavaScript, then you can publish it directly to the NPM registry. So this NPM is like a Android Play Store or App Store, which contains all the reusable libraries over here, right? So if you see, there are many other applications like .env, which is used on the backend side. This .env is a module wherein you can parse the environment variables, and also if you want to connect to Postgres or any database from the backend, pgpromise. pgpromise is one such library which can be used to connect to the backend database. So all of these modules, all of these modules have been built by some community developers, and they have open sourced it, and now it is very simple for us to just download and use them. So see, db.node, so you can run your queries directly on the db from your middleware or node.js application, and that is going to be really helpful, right? So node package manager has its global npm registry. So whatever we are looking at is the global npm registry, but also npm supports the custom or local npm registry, where each company can host their npm registry, which whatever dependencies they are going to use within their application, they can add more security checks on those dependencies, and they can build their own npm registry, so that you can publish as a company, you can have their own npm registry, and you can publish whatever dependencies or whatever reusable logic you want to perform in your company. You can easily do that with the npm, right? So all of those libraries, many famous libraries have been part of this. So we can see the version of which they are releasing and what license they do hold and what are the dependencies which they are holding, all of this, right? So npm is a very strong uh, reason why the community of all the javascript applications have grown. And yes, that's all about npm, right?